So you're probably already using AI to build landing pages. And sure, the pages look fine, but let me ask you something. Are they actually converting? Because there's a big difference between a pretty page and a page that gets people to take action. So here's what I've been dealing with. I build my funnels on WordPress by hand. I'm talking landing pages, opt-in forms, thank you pages, writing all the copy, connecting my email marketing, setting up the lead gen flow, the whole thing. Now, it works, but it's slow and it could get expensive. And here's my current lead magnet funnel. So I built this from scratch, and honestly, it does the job, but every time I want to spin up a new funnel or test a new offer, I'm looking at hours of work and a stack of plugins and email marketing costs just to get something live. So naturally, I started looking at AI tools to speed this up. And yeah, I've tried all the usual suspects: AI page builders, prompting ChatGPT for landing page code, all of it. And the output always looks fine, like it's a page, it exists, but it reads like generic AI wrote it. There's no brand voice, no conversion strategy behind it, and half the time, the mobile experience is a mess. You still end up spending a ton of time customizing it to not feel like a template. And the core problem is this: most AI tools don't understand conversion. They output pretty pages, but that's not the same thing. And that's where Perspective comes in. And this is the part that actually got me interested. So Perspective doesn't just generate a landing page, it generates a full funnel based on proven conversion psychology and tested funnel templates. But here's the key difference. Before it builds anything, it learns your brand first. They have this thing called an AI brand profile. You set it up once, your brand voice, your tone, your target audience, your positioning, and then every funnel it creates actually sounds like you, not generic AI slop. It sounds like you actually wrote it with your brand's voice, and that's a big deal. All right, real quick before we get started, if you haven't done so already, visit the link in the video description below, and that'll take you to the Perspective homepage, or you could sign up for a free account. And yes, it's completely free for the first 2 weeks. They have a 14-day free trial where you could try everything out that you're going to see in this video. And an important note, if you use my link in the video description below, you'll get a 30-day free trial, so you could try Perspective for a complete month, worry-free, risk-free, and then cancel anytime before the month is over if you find that it's not a good fit for you. But it's a great way to get your feet wet with Perspective so that you can see everything that it's capable of. And let me show you what I mean, starting with the AI brand profile. This is the part that makes Perspective different from every other AI builder that I've tried. So first, from the Perspective home dashboard, I'm going to click on my workspace name up here in the top left, which is Ben's workspace. And then from that drop down, click on workspace settings. That takes us to the settings panel. And on the left, you'll see a bunch of options. What we want are the AI brand profile. So go ahead and click that. And we obviously don't have any profiles yet, so let's create one by clicking Create New Brand Profile. And then it only asks you for 2 things: your website URL or brand name and your target audience. That's it. So I'm going to put in my website, blogwithben.com, and then for the target audience, I'm going to type aspiring bloggers and digital entrepreneurs. Then once those are filled out, click Generate Profile. And then it actually starts crawling my website and building out a full brand profile on the fly. You can see it's pulling in my company basics, my products and services, my market segments. It figured out that I offer step-by-step tutorials and a free ebook called the Blog Starter Kit. I didn't even type any of that. It pulled it straight from my site. And then it keeps going. It maps out my mission and my vision, the core problem that I solve for my audience, my biggest value promise, and how I'm differentiated from my competitors. It's even building out ideal customer personas, their goals, motivations, challenges, all of it. This is the stuff that would normally take me hours to write out in a brand doc, and Perspective just generated it in seconds from a URL and a couple of words. That's amazing. Now, you could edit this after saving it, but honestly, I think it nailed it pretty well right out of the box. So I'm going to hit Save Profile. And then after it's created and saved, you could see it right here. And the great thing about this is now every funnel that I create from this point forward, I can use this profile to generate copy that actually sounds like my brand. And once again, one thing worth pointing out, once your profile is saved, you could always come back and edit it. If I hover over the profile here, you'll see a little edit icon pop up. That pin icon right there, just click that and you'll be able to tweak whatever you need and then resave it and you're good to go. So nothing is locked in. You can refine this as your brand evolves. All right, now let's actually build a funnel with this brand profile. All right, so let's put the brand profile to work. So I'm going to head back to the main dashboard. And from here, click the new funnel button. And this opens up the template library. You've got categories like get appointments, grow email list, recruit talent, and so on. And since we're building a lead magnet funnel, I'm going to click grow email list and then scroll down and find the lead magnet template. And then you can click into it and you'll be able to preview all of the pages of that funnel. And looks like we've got the value proposition page with some social proof and testimonial. Then there's an opt-in form. And next there's a personalization page that asks a qualifying question. And then it sends you to the thank you page with an upsell opportunity. So there's 4 pages, full funnel, all baked in. And then next to that, it's got some details on the right side. It tells you that it's 4 pages, responsive for all devices, GDPR ready, that's great, and it takes about 4 minutes to set up. And right here, this is key. We have our AI brand profile selected and ready to go, knows who I am. So instead of just using the template, I'm gonna hit personalize template while also selecting that brand profile. And then that's gonna take this proven template and rewrite the copy using my brand profile for Blog with Ben. And then as it gets started, this will take a few moments. It only took about 60 seconds or so to finalize, but you could actually see it generating the content in real time. It's writing text blocks, button copy, all of it. And then for the sake of time, let me fast forward really quick. And then once it's done, it'll drop us in the editor. And right away, I could see the funnel is already personalized, got my brand context baked into the copy. And then on the left side, we've got some pages, got the value proposition and the personalization, plus my results and messages. There's even an email messaging template already set up as well. And then in the center, you'll see the editor. This is fully customizable right here in real time. And if we scroll through the output, we can see the value prop page has some testimonials. The opt-in form all looks clean. Further down, this is what I really want you to see. It's generated a whole section breaking down what's inside the blog starter kit, complete blog setup guide, content strategy blueprint, monetization roadmap, etc. And it wrote all of this from my brand profile. I didn't type a single word of copy. There's even an About Me section with the full bio that actually sounds like me. It's pulled from my site, and it wrote it in a voice that matches my brand. This is a complete, almost ready to publish lead magnet funnel with email delivery and contact management built in. What would have taken me hours on WordPress, plus stitching together 3 or 4 different tools, just happened in a few minutes with perspective. And I want to quickly point out the other pages here as well. So if I click on personalization on the left, this opens the second page of the funnel, and this is the qualifying question. It asks, what is your biggest challenge? And you have 4 tap to select options. And then here's what's cool. Each of these options is paired with its own result page. You can see them listed under results on the left. So if I click into win new customers, for example, it takes the lead to a tailored result page with the specific CTA. And in this case, it has an invite for a free live training. It's also got personalized copy and a video, which is all customizable, but every answer here leads to a different result page, which means every lead gets a more relevant follow-up. That's conversion psychology built right into the template. Next, let me show you the email marketing piece, because this is where it all comes together. So down on the left sidebar under messages, you can see there's already a bundle delivery message set up, and you can manually edit that title if you need to. But if you click on that, it'll show you a full email automation already wired up. At the top, you've got your trigger, which contact is set to new. So the moment someone opts in, this fires automatically. You could always add delays if you want and add rules to segment who gets it if you need to. That's all right here. And then below that is the actual email. You've got your from, to, and subject line fields, and then the email itself below that. And it's got a download button for the lead magnet, product images, and then this is smart. There's even a secondary offer built right into the email, special offer section pushing a free training. But if you don't offer any type of training, or if you want to change that, you could easily edit everything right here in the builder. You could also add more messages to this campaign as well. Just hit new messages and you could build out a full email sequence without ever leaving perspective. No connecting third-party tools if you don't want to. But you do have the ability to connect to email marketing providers if you want to. Just click the Apps tab at the top of the screen. But either way, once your leads come in, they're stored in Perspective's contacts and your emails go out all from one platform. And for someone like me who's juggling WordPress, a page builder, email marketing, and Zapier just to make a basic lead magnet funnel work, having all of this in one place is a game changer. Then let's talk about design. So if I click the Design tab up here at the top, This is where you can apply your brand's color scheme to the entire funnel in one click. You've got your current theme at the top and then a huge list of prospective themes below, like ocean, neon, startup, whatever fits your vibe. And you can click one and it asks if you want to apply it to all blocks or just the ones that you haven't already customized yet. And then it will change the entire funnel updated instantly. You could also create your own custom theme with your exact brand colors, so it's saved and ready to go for every funnel that you build going forward. You also have the freedom to edit everything manually. So if we jump back into the editor, we can manually update the colors. I could swap out the logo, add my headshot, drop in my blog starter kit cover image, basically make this look and feel like my brand from top to bottom. And this is really where the value of a tool like this hits home. I'm not fighting with code. I'm not digging through WordPress plugin settings or trying to get my page builder to cooperate. Everything is drag and drop, click and edit, and I could select any element, change the color, update the text, swap an image, add a link to my lead magnet. I can change the CTAs, and I could see it all updating here in real time. That's something that I never had building funnels by hand. And keep in mind, the structure, the copy, the conversion flow, all of that was already done for me. I'm just adding the finishing touches to it. That's the difference. Instead of starting from zero and spending hours building and writing everything from scratch, here I'm starting from a fully built AI personalized funnel and just styling it to match my brand. It's a completely different workflow that saves a ton of time. The other thing I'll mention is that everything here is mobile first. Perspective builds these funnels to look great on phones out of the box. That matters because the majority of your traffic, especially if you're running ads, is coming from mobile. And with my WordPress setup, I was always going back and forth between desktop and mobile views, trying to make sure things didn't break. But here, everything is responsive and it just works. All right, so the funnel is fully built, branded, and ready to go. Now let's make it live. So from here, all you got to do is click Publish in the upper right corner, and this takes you to the Publish Funnel screen. You'll get a hosted URL on perspectivefunnel.co right out of the box, but if you want to clean that up, you could click Customize Link and either shorten it, or you can connect your own custom domain. I'm not going to walk through those steps, but it is a pretty simple process. They do have a step-by-step tutorial, and I will be creating another video on that process in just a bit, so keep an eye out for that. But for now, I'm just going to hit Publish Now. And in a few moments, our funnel is live. We get a QR code with the live URL and a confirmation. Now, before I wrap up, let me connect the last piece, which is the email delivery, so that when people do sign up through this funnel, we will capture the lead, but also send them the email with the lead magnet, which is a very key piece to this. So head back to the funnel builder by clicking Funnel at the top of the screen. Then select the email delivery message in the messages section on the sidebar. And then all you need to do is turn it on. So click Set Live there at the top. And now it's active. The trigger is now highlighted and the automation is running. From this point forward, every person who opts into this funnel gets this email automatically that has my lead magnet. And that's it, the entire funnel, landing page, qualifying question, personalized results page, to email delivery. It's live and collecting leads, all built, branded, and published from one platform in Perspective. Then let's run through the funnel really quick. So I'm going to pull up the live funnel URL, and then let's run through this as if I'm a new visitor. And we're on the landing page again. I'm running this on desktop, but it also looks great on mobile, as you just saw. Looks clean and professional. So let's fill it out. And we even get some animations with the button. Very nice. And then it takes me to the personalization page. And we got the 4 options. I'm going to select growing my audience. And boom, here's the results page tailored to that answer, confirms the blog starter kit is on the way, and then it pitches the free training. Now, the video is still obviously using the placeholder video, but I can easily update that in the funnel builder to match my current campaign. And that's a second conversion opportunity right here on the thank you page. And then let's check my email to make sure I received the lead magnet. And there it is. The email looks great in my inbox. We got the images and the CTA, and then I'll click the button to download the ebook, and awesome. It opens the full 78-page blog starter kit PDF. So the entire funnel just worked end to end, from opt-in to qualifying question to personalized results page to delivering the lead magnet, all from one platform, Perspective. Look, I've been building funnels by hand for a long time, and it works, but it's slow. It's expensive, and every new funnel feels like starting from scratch. And what Perspective did for me in this video would have normally taken me an entire afternoon or more, plus a handful of monthly subscriptions just to pull it off. And the AI brand profile is the real difference maker here. It's not just spitting out generic pages, it actually learns your brand and writes copy that sounds like you. That's the piece every other AI tool is missing, in my opinion. So if you want to try this out for yourself, grab the template link in the video description below. It's a one-click clone. You could have your own version of this funnel up and running today. Also, sign up for your free Perspective account and try it worry-free for 14 days before buying. Finally, let me know in the comments what you think about this funnel. I'd love to hear what your setup looks like. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So that's going to do it for this video. If you found it helpful, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Also, if you're looking to start a blog, check out these 2 videos on how to build, grow, and monetize a WordPress blog. They'll walk you through the entire process step by step. And as always, your support means a great deal to me and my family, and for that, I thank you. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.